Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. In this video, I'm going to show you how the service communication in Eureka service discovery is going to be happen on localhost. And in my later videos, I will show you that how we can use the service discovery on AWS cloud or any cloud. So that would be the part of my future video, but the thing is that for testing, you should have a code, and I've already provided you the code. I will provide you the link of the code, and it is in the Terraform version 13. So this is the code I've created: VPC, Netflix, Eureka server. In that folder, I have created one directory, Eureka service communication, and in that I have three directories, which include the Eureka server, shares, and shopping cart. So what you have to do is to simply download the code, and if you have IntelliJ already installed, you can install that if you want to test it locally, because it is the local host service to service communication. But it is really important to show you guys how this service to service communication in Docker works and how it is going to work in the cloud. But as I told you, that would be the future part. So for the sake of the demo, I'm going to start this Eureka server locally. So this Eureka server is going to start locally, and it is going to run on its default port, which is the 8761. So let me reload. So currently it is running the Eureka server locally. Once it started, I will also start other services and show you guys how the service discovery is going to be done locally. But definitely on cloud and in production environment, you're not going to do this service discovery locally, because your services are not going to be available, or you're not going to run your services on the same host. So for that, there are different settings, as and also we are running our services in Docker. So settings with regard to the Docker are different, and also I will be covering in my future video the ECS Elastic Container Service of AWS, and show you guys how service discovery is going to be happen there. So our Eureka server is up and running on my local machine. So what I'm going to do is to show you guys that I'm going to run the shirts service. So let me start this service. Okay, I'm going to click the play button. So you can do it the same way. I mean, as a DevOps engineer, you don't have to know what is code about, what the coding is all about. Your job is to make sure that you should be able to deploy the stuff, and deploy and the developer do the rest of the setting as far as the development of the application. So this service is running. Let me show you where it is running. If you navigate to the uh, resources section, and you will see application.properties, and in that we define on which port our service is going to be running. So let me open another tab, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to put localhost here, 8080. Okay, so I have to provide the link, which is the shirts, as I defined in the code, best shirts in Pakistan. So uh, let me show you the uh, link with regard to that. So this is the slash shirts, which is available now. So uh, this part is done as far as the code is concerned. So the last service which we are going to run is of shopping cart. So I'm going to start this service now, run it, and it is going to be on port 8090. So this is where I've defined the port. And for server registration, it is going to register with our Eureka server on 8761. So if I navigate to Eureka server, you see shared service is already running and available. So if I navigate to another tab and type localhost 8090, you will see, and also I have to put that slash cart. So all you buy from us will show in shopping cart. So I am giving you the simple explanation that how the service communication is going to be work, and let me show you that the controller with regard to that. So this is the slash cart. So now I'm going to show you that how you see there are two services are now registered with Eureka server shares and shopping cart. So the main purpose of service discovery is that services should be able to communicate with each other by their name. So for that, what I'm going to do is to call this service shopping cart from shirts. So this is the link of the shirts. What I'm going to do is to copy the link and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to put slash here and I'm going to call the shopping cart service. Okay. So for that, I've already mentioned in my code that uh, on slash call to shopping cart. So I'm going to simply copy this, and you see in the URL, I have provided the URL of this shopping cart slash cart. This is the I'm calling this service by name. This is the shopping cart, and if I put it here, I will be or I should be able to access my service of shopping cart from my shared service. So you see, I'm able to access from port 8080 shared service. I'm able to call this shopping cart service. So as this service is running on port 80, but this is the advantage of service discovery, and this is the main purpose of Eureka server, that your services should be registered with the Eureka server, and you're going to communicate with your services through Eureka by their name. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. In my next videos, I will be I'm going to show you that how you can run these services on Docker, and how the communication between services is going to be happen. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.